Now, in just months from now, you will be able to travel safely between Leh and Srinagar when snowfall and avalanches cut off the region's road connectivity. The Zojila Pass is a strategic route that connects India's border regions, and the Zojila Tunnel project will make all-year travel within that region possible and a lot more easy. Watch this report filed by Milind Sharma.
Sonmarg was once a gateway on the ancient Silk Road that connected Kashmir with China. While Zojila Pass is the strategic link connecting the Leh-Ladakh region to Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir and with the rest of India. This Silk Road is most crucial for defence and economic activities of the region. Tourists throng to visit Sonmarg, which remains cut off from the rest of the valley during winter months. The more than 13-kilometre long Zojila Tunnel, once complete, will be the ultimate engineering marvel, making the dream of an all-weather connectivity road from Leh to Srinagar come true. The project is divided into two parts. The first part is the Zedmore Tunnel, the east and west end of the 6.5-kilometre long tunnel.
We're standing here at the Zedmore Tunnel west end, and it's very important from a strategic national security point of view as well as the traveller's perspective, because often we see that Srinagar, Leh and especially Sonmarg, Dras, Kargil areas are cut off from the rest of the country due to heavy avalanche and snow.
The second part of the project is the longest tunnel in Asia. The Zojila Tunnel, built by connecting through the Zojila Pass at the height of 11,000 feet. Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari reviewed the construction work at the Zedmore and Zojila tunnels.
जम्मू कश्मीर के रोड अच्छे नहीं बनेंगे तो जम्मू कश्मीर की जनता भी धनवान बनेगी, समृद्ध बनेगी, संपन्न बनेगी। ये मैक्सिमम 3 साल के बाद यहाँ का टूरिज्म 5 गुना बढ़ेगा, यहाँ के होटल रेस्टोरेंट्स 10 गुना बढ़ेंगे और यहाँ का रोड का ट्रैफिक 5 गुना बढ़ेगा और पूरे देश से और दुनिया से लोग आएंगे।
Another key feature for tourists, a route that would take 3 hours less to travel between Leh and Srinagar.
One of the world's highest motorable roads done through tunneling work at 11,000 feet. The journey that takes usually 3 hours and disconnects the Sonmarg Valley from rest of Kashmir will now take just 15 minutes. And in 15 minutes, you will cross the entire avalanche-prone area, which makes it very dangerous to drive around in this location, especially during the winter months after heavy snowfall.
Armed forces and CRPF patrols in the area will become easier due to the route's all-weather drivability.
बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण होने वाला है, क्योंकि जो हमारे जवानों के लिए रसद है, गोला बारूद है, साजो सामान है, वो बिना समय गवाए आसानी से हम उन तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। हमारा कोई जवान बीमार होता है तो उसको हम हॉस्पिटल तक आसानी से पहुंचा सकते हैं।
But challenges remain. The construction could take several years to complete, and the hostile weather at the Zojila Pass doesn't make it any easier.
Just like I can say, on the other side of the tunnel, we are getting a much better progress. This side, because rock condition is not good, we are getting only 25% of the progress on this side. So once we enter, the whatever we face, we will complete. But we are very hopeful that we will complete ahead of schedule.
The timeline may be ambitious, but travel enthusiasts still have to wait till 2026 to drive through India's longest tunnel road ever made.
At the estimated height of more than 11,000 feet and in temperatures that go down to minus 40 degrees in winter, this is the Zojila Tunnel, which once when completed will become a pathway to connect Leh to Srinagar throughout the year, becoming an all-weather route. Bringing you this ground report with camera person Sachin Chandok, this is Milind Sharma from Zojila Tunnel, reporting for India Today.